Number 25. Which structure can reduce how much light enters the eye? So the light enters the eye by going through, first of all, cornea, and it gets refracted. So the light gets refracted when it goes through the cornea. And then, of course, it has to go into the pupil, and then it gets more refracted. Gets even refracted more. And then gets focused in one position at one point. So, as you can see from here, the answer is quite simple. You can see that B is a structure that controls how much light enters the eye. If it becomes widened, then more light can go in. If it becomes constricted, then only some light can enter the eye. So B is called the iris, and it controls how much light enters the eye. So the answer should be B for this one.